Welcome children. So this is the last session or concluding session of chapter number 7. I hope you understood the chapter after watching all the videos of our country India. Now let's do first the textual exercise. I hope you will open your textbooks, page number 54, or as according to your books, because you are having maybe the new books. Now question answers I'll send you in the written work. Now take the correct answer. The southernmost Himalayas are known as Shivaliks. Sahyadris are also known as Western Ghats. The Pak Strait lies between the countries. In which two countries? India and Sri Lanka. The Indian islands in the Arabian Sea are known as Lakshadweep. Then on the next page, the oldest mountain range in India is Aravalli Range. Now filling the blanks. India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. Okay. 3.28 million square kilometer. B. The Greater Himalayas are also known as Himadri. The largest state in India in terms of area is Rajasthan. The river Narmada falls into the Arabian Sea. The latitude that runs almost halfway through India is Tropic of Cancer. So this was about the textual exercise which you have to do only in your textbooks. Understood? Now map pointing. This is very important question. Okay, map pointing. For this you have to be ready with your India's outline map to mark the following points. Now here in your book you are having only 4 or 5 points. Tropic of Cancer, standard meridian of India's state in which you live, Andaman Islands and Lakshadweep Islands, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Then I have added some more points that when I will explain you, at that time you will come to know. Okay children. Now let's start with the map. So I hope you are ready with your maps and with your pencils and erasers, and please keep the map pointing, do the map pointing very carefully. Okay children. So then also if you are not able to understand the things, you can take the help of this map also after watching the video. Understood children? Okay. Now see, this is outline map of India. Whenever you are going to do any map, you know always in the map, either up or in the down, you can see the line pointing towards north. With this line, north line pointing towards north, you come to know the directions of the map. Okay. So it means this is north, south, east and west. Okay. Now if you see, I have drawn here the line. Now your first map pointing is Tropic of Cancer. Now if you see this line starting from Rann of Kutch and then moving towards Myanmar. Understood? Okay. This line is known as Tropic of Cancer. This line is known as Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Then we are having number 2, standard meridian of India. Standard meridian of India or the local time of India. Now see, this straight line in the towards east 82.5 degree or 82.50 degree towards east, we are having standard meridian. So you have to draw this line straight away like this. Okay. Now then we are having state in which you live. Now in which state you live? You live in Gujarat. You live in Gujarat. Gujarat is in the west. Okay. Then we are having Andaman Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Now in this side, in the east, we are having Bay of Bengal. We are having Bay of Bengal. In the west, Arabian Sea. Okay, Arabian Sea. So, in the east, in Bay of Bengal, we are having the group of islands Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Understood? In the west, in Arabian Sea, we are having Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are also known as Coral Islands. Why? Because corals are skeletons of tiny marine animals called polyps. Okay? That's why this Lakshadweep group of islands are known as Coral Islands. Now, in the next point we are having now Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. For Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, if I draw the line like this, see, okay, in the west we are having Western Ghats. See, in the west, Western Ghat, and in the east, Eastern Ghats. And in the east, Eastern Ghats. If you see like this, okay. Western Ghats are narrow and Eastern Ghats are broader than the Western Ghats. Okay. Now, after Eastern and Western Ghats, now you have to point out Sundarbans. Sundarbans are here. This part known as Sundarban Delta. Sundarban Delta. Okay, Sundarbans. Now then, after that, now see, this is your Gujarat. Above the Gujarat, towards the north from Gujarat, which state we are having? We are having Rajasthan. Rajasthan, which is known as Western Desert. In the Rajasthan, we are having one range. Oldest range. That oldest range is known as Aravalli range. So here we are having Aravalli range. Here we are having Aravalli. Okay, instead of whole range, I am just writing R. Aravalli range. Okay, keep in your mind your state Gujarat. Above your state Gujarat, towards north, we are having Rajasthan. Rajasthan, which is known as the Western Desert. And there we are having the Aravalli range, which is the oldest range of mountains. Then you have to point out Vindhya range and Satpura range. Now see, Gujarat. Now here you can see the curve, the mark from here. This is your Vindhya range, and little bit down to Vindhya range we are having Satpura range. Okay. Vindhya range, and this is Satpura range. Satpura range. Okay. Vindhya range and Satpura range. This is Vindhya, this is Satpura, and here you are having Aravalli. Now see, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Vindhya, Satpura range, and in between which plateau? Deccan Plateau. Okay. Deccan Plateau, or you can say Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau. Now, you remember what is peninsula? Peninsula means part of land which is covered by water from three sides. This side Arabian Sea, down we are having Indian Ocean, then here we are having Bay of Bengal. Okay. Now after that you have to point out the Pak Strait. Pak Strait, India and Sri Lanka. Here we are having Park Strait. This part is known as Park Strait. After that, Himalayas. 3 ranges of Himalayas we are having. Okay. The first range, which is in Jammu and Kashmir, Leh Ladakh. Okay, like this in Nepal. Himadri. After Himadri, this is the first range. Now second range after Himadri, we are having the Himachal, or you can say the middle Himalayas. After the middle Himalayas, we are having the third range known as Shivaliks. Okay, this is the third range. These are your Himalayas. Okay, first is Himadri. Second is Himachal, middle. Third is Shivalik, outer Himalayas. These are the 3 ranges of Himalayas. Now down to the Himalayas we are having plains, northern plains. Okay, this much you have to do the map pointing in your India's outline map. Okay, you can use the colors also, pencil colors for the Himalayas, brown color, ranges brown color, okay, sea, blue color, then Ghats again light brown or yellowish color, Sundarban Delta is here, okay, then Tropic of Cancer, this is your Indian Standard Meridian, or you can say the local Indian local time. The lines is at 82.5 degree towards east. Okay, Lakshadweep Islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, we have the Park Strait in between India and Sri Lanka, 2 countries. So this was all about your India's map pointing. On the outline map of India, you have to stick the map in your notebook. The question of the map I will give you with the written work. As I will send you the written work, in that the question will also be there. Okay, but you have to stick this map in your notebooks. Okay children, because in the exam map pointing is also going to come. So very carefully you have to fill this. If any queries, you can put the message on that. And please complete the map. Okay, thank you children.